Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated laundry hampers. Ease your laundry experience with the convenience of laundry hampers. These useful items optimize the organization of your dirty clothes through their sturdy design and functionality. They can be used as a stationary unit to avoid clutter, but they can also be used as a portable unit to carry around comfortably when doing laundry somewhere else, camping, and traveling. The plethora of designs can readily fit neutral aesthetics and funky motifs. In this video, we'll pair you with your perfect match through this compilation of the 7 top-rated laundry hampers. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the laundry hampers that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first laundry hamper in our list is the House Again Strong Mesh Pop-Up Laundry Hamper. If you want a lightweight companion for your laundry chore, House Again Strong Mesh Pop-Up Laundry Hamper is the one for you. The simplistic style and convertible design are equally palatial to fit your garments and compact to keep in a bag for retirement. This 240-gram material is perfect for college students, athletes, travelers, and families who love to wander. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the House Again Strong Mesh Pop-Up Laundry Hamper a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 50 pounds capacity. The double stitching handles, high carbon steel frame, and solid polyester bottom holds weight without the threat of breaking. Spacious dimensions. Its 14.5 inches length and width and 24.5 inches height can store a week's worth of clothes without taking too much space. Easy to open and close. You can twist and fold the collapsible ingenious frame up to an 8-inch in length. Odors and moisture proof. The vented stitching of the polyester mesh allows easy airflow to let clothes dry and not reek. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there is no covering or closing mechanism. The second laundry hamper in our list is the MCleanPin Large Laundry Hamper. The classy and dainty motif MCleanPin Large Laundry Hamper is partnered with a pragmatic quirk. It has a capacious dimension perfect for storing tons of clothing and bedding until your next laundry day. Its portable 70-liter capacity is assisted with durable linen and a sorting hard pocket for easy assortment in rental spaces, dorm rooms, utility rooms, and roving. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the MCleanPin Large Laundry Hamper a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: large dimension. The compartment can hold as many as 2 loads of laundry machines with 13.8 inches length and width and 23.8 inches height. 3 products in one purchase. It comes with 1 hamper and 2 laundry bags for triple storage and 4 foldable brackets for sturdy stand. Travel friendly. You can fold the hamper up to 8-inch length and pack it in your bag and luggage. Luxurious and breathable fabric. It's made of highly absorbent material of linen to avoid foul odor and absorb the dampness of the clothes. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't stay up without support brackets. The third laundry hamper in our list is the Lifewit Freestanding Laundry Hamper. The broad and elegant style of Lifewit Freestanding Laundry Hamper makes it a perfect contender for the storage of clothes into camps, apartments, laundromats, and college rooms. It has a length of 21.65 inches, a width of 11.81 inches, and a height of 24.8 inches that supplies you with a space for your items. You can easily relocate it with its lightweight material of 1.21 pounds and retractable borders. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Lifewit Freestanding Laundry Hamper a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ultra spacious. It has a 100-liter capacity that can fit 2 loads of laundry. Freestanding effect. The hamper can be stretched out and it'll keep upright on its own for a very long time. Waterproof coating. You can conveniently keep your stored items dry with its premium polyester and polyethylene surface. Collapsible design. The hamper can be folded by simply pushing down the edges. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there are limited designs and colors. The fourth laundry hamper in our list is the OIAHOMY Laundry Hamper Woven Rope. If you want a laundry hamper with an ornamental function, go for OIAHOMY Laundry Hamper Woven Rope. It has a vintage motif with a variety of colors to choose from. On top of its aesthetically pleasing exterior, the 19.3 inches length and width and 25.6 inches height provides room for a cargo of clothes and bedding. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the OIAHOMY Laundry Hamper Woven Rope a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: oversized capacity. It has a 25% larger capacity as compared to other hampers in this price range, holding up to 105 liters, enough to accommodate 1 week worth of clothes. Highest grade rope. The natural handmade rope makes the hamper wear-resistant and durable. No sharp edges and no hard surface. The soft woven material is ideal for rooms with nurseries and pets. Attractive design. The luxury laundry hamper doubles as a home decoration for bathrooms, bedrooms, and laundry rooms. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's not waterproof. The fifth laundry hamper on our list is the Mind Reader Basket Laundry Hamper. The light and sophisticated material of Mind Reader Basket Laundry Hamper is a minimalist and practical addition to your laundry. Despite the lean design, it has 14 inches in length, 10 inches in width, and 24.15 inches in height, capable of storing up to 2 weeks worth of cloth. It comes in pink, white, ivory, blue, brown, and black, and there are also foldable and wheeled options. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Mind Reader Basket Laundry Hamper a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Deep storage. You can easily sort out your clothing pile with 60 liters multi-load capacity. Slim and sleek design. The interior provides maximum space while retaining its compact profile for saving space. Interlocking wicker. The vented plastic design supplies airflow and steers clear from odor buildup. Tight cover. The fitted lid is perfect for a household with playful kids and pets. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't have long handles. The sixth laundry hamper on our list is the GREENSTELL Laundry Hamper. The strong build and intentionally imperfect style of GREENSTELL Laundry Hamper is caused by the handcrafted rattan wood. It's available in 2 sizes with 22 inches length, 12 inches width, and 24 inches height for the 110-liter capacity, and 18 inches length, 12 inches width, and 24 inches height for the 90-liter capacity. This exquisite hamper conveniently stays in place with its silica gel feet and the 4.3 kilograms weight. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the GREENSTELL Laundry Hamper a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Maximal capacity. It has a maximum capacity of 90 liters and a maximum load of 99 pounds or 45 kilograms. 2 compartments. The cloth lining serves as a division for easy separation and organization. Waterproof and moisture-proof. The synthetic rattan provides protection from water and humidity. Thickened iron wire frame. The main body imparts an increased load-bearing ability with this hefty frame. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, bags are purchased separately. The 7th laundry hamper in our list is the Yuelan Laundry Hamper Basket Sorter. Perfect for deluxe settings, the Yuelan Laundry Hamper Basket Sorter is a movable laundry hamper that comes with a wheeled cart. In terms of size, the cart is 30 inches long by 16 inches wide by 35 inches high, and the bag measures 28 inches long by 15 inches wide by 22 inches high. It also comes with all the needed materials to install this smooth, transportable hamper. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Yuelan Laundry Hamper Basket Sorter a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. 3 compartments. You can separate the clothes by color, function, and laundry instructions with the black, cream, and gray compartments. 600D Oxford fabric. The robust fabric has long-lasting strength, ideal for kids, teens, and adults. 5 horizontal bars. The hamper is finished with an iron metal lacquer finish to support the frame's durability. Heavy-duty caster. The 4 wheels are made of thermoplastic rubber to smoothly transport the hamper, and the 2 of the wheels are equipped with locking brakes. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's a bit large to carry around. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated laundry hampers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next laundry hamper roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.